Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pinganan Islami. You can call me Pinkan. I'm from Majapahit Islamic University. Especially I'm from English Education Department and I 6th semester. How are you all? Hopefully always in good condition, yeah? In here, I will explain about discourse analysis. Do you understand what is the meaning about discourse analysis? Discourse analysis is a research method used to learn about written or spoken language in connection with the social context that is in it. The aim is to understand how this language is used in our life situation. In short, discourse analysis can be interpreted as a way to understand social interaction by analyzing the interaction they use, namely language. There are several things that make use focus when doing discourse analysis. First, the purpose and side effect of the type of language itself. And the second, rules for communication. And the third, how the value content can be conveyed. And the fourth, the relationship between the use of language and its social context and history. Discourse analysis contains communication message in the form of text such as speech event. There are a purpose about discourse analysis, namely first, the desire to give or obtain information from others about a matter, and the second, the desire to be able to tell and convince someone about a thing that happened. That was definition about discourse analysis, the purpose about discourse analysis, and the several things about discourse analysis. And the next, I will explain about the text. The text itself must have a certain structure with cohesion and coherence. What is the meaning about cohesion? Cohesion is the most important things in cohesion in the connection of this between text. And the example about cohesion. That night was cooking fried rice. When eating together, my mother liked it. It, in the second text, show the connection that are in the first and other text. And what is the meaning about coherence? Coherence is the prioritizing consistent quality to form a unified whole. And the example, my father left work to buy a cell phone. The cell phone is black. The cell phone looks really good, but he forgot to fill in his number. Tomorrow he will fill in his number when he gets home from work. In the text, it is clear the quality of the connection that have between one sentence to another so that it forms a complete sentence. And the next, I will also give an example of coherence with a brief conversation. A. Your phone is ringing. There is an incoming call. B. Pick up the phone and let me know that I'm in the bedroom. A. Okay. That was definition about cohesion and the example and coherence. Definition about coherence and example. And the next, I will explain about speech event. This can be in the form of debates, interview, discussion, or conversation. The speech event creates a social connection between participant and other participant and also has a specific purpose to be conveyed to the listener. In speech event, there are several factors that must be considered. First, participant, the role of the speaker and listener, their relationship, like friends or family. Someone in front will convey something to create a relationship and has a specific purpose to the listener. And the second topics, what was discussed or conveyed? What topics are being discussed? What topic can make the listener more easily understand them? And the third, place. Where and when do they talk? Place here include two things. When and where. This can show information about the place and also the time when the speech event are taking place. And the fourth, the goal. Why do they talk about it? What are the goal of speech event that have taken place? Do they have a specific purpose for the listener? And the last, I will give an example of a conversation about discourse analysis. In this conversation, there was two people, me and the meatball seller. This conversation take place on the side of the road. Me, I want to buy a bowl of meatballs. Meatball sellers, well, I'll make it. Is this complete meatballs? Me, yes, but don't use cabbage, but add a lot of fried onions because I really like it. Meatball sellers, okay, you sit down first, I'll make it and I'll deliver later. Me, thank you so much. Meatball seller, you're welcome. I think enough. I have explained the definition of discourse analysis, the purpose about discourse analysis, and the several things about discourse analysis, and the definition of text, cohesion, coherence, and example as well as the explanation. The definition of speech event, an important factor that exists in speech event. Thank you for your attention. I hope this be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.